Did you know there are more than 6,000 streetlights in the city of Bowie? We're excited to share some great news about the city's new lighting upgrade. We're adding a special conduit system to improve how we maintain our streetlights. So, what exactly is a conduit?
The conduit is just a plastic pipe that is bored underground with a machine, and it's trenchless digging. The only areas where there is an excavation is at the starting point and the ending point. And what that conduit does is it protects the wire.
This new conduit runs underground, providing a protective pathway to our electric wiring. If a street light goes out and it's not a simple light bulb replacement, technicians can now access the wiring easily and quickly through the conduit. Why is this important? Well, first off, no more digging up driveways or digging into streets every time a light needs work.
If there is down the road a repair is needed, the contractor will easily just pull the wire out and install new wire. They will not mess around and try to find where that fault is. Currently, when we have a cable fault, it takes up to 21 days for the repairs. And usually the lights are out for that extended time. What we're trying to do with the new cable replacement is to alleviate that problem.
It's important to remember that Bowie has areas of streetlight cable that are owned by the city and other areas which are owned by BG&E. The city hires an independent contractor to make repairs, and requests are submitted daily in the order they are received. So if you notice that a light is out, flickering, damaged, or a day burner, we want to hear from you. There are also different types of lights and poles in the city, from candy canes to colonials. Some of the equipment needed to fix the problem has to be special ordered, which can take a few weeks. If you see a pole knocked down, call us immediately. Also, if you submitted a request, make sure it includes a pole number, your name, and contact info so you can be updated on the progress. To report the problem, you can go to our website and log on to cityofbowie.org/service request. You can also call the Public Works Department at 301-809-2344.